Looking to supercharge your investment portfolio in 2025? Today, we're unveiling the top 4 high-growth ETFs making waves in the market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these ETFs could be game changers. Let's dive in. First up is the Invesco QQQ Trust, or QQQ. This ETF tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, giving you exposure to tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, and NVIDIA. As of May 29, 2025, QQQ boasts a year-to-date return of 1.85% and a one-year return of 14.60%. It's a solid choice for investing in tech sector growth. Next, we have the Vanguard Information Technology ETF, or VGT. This ETF focuses on the information technology sector, including software, hardware, and IT services. As of May 28, 2025, VGT has a year-to-date return of 2.26% and a one-year return of 10.97%. It's ideal for targeted exposure to tech industry innovation. Third on our list is the iShares Global Clean Energy ETF, or ICLN. This ETF gives access to companies involved in clean energy, such as solar and wind power. As of May 28, 2025, ICLN has achieved a year-to-date return of 10.37% and a one-year return of 15.35%. It's a compelling option for sustainable investing. Coming in fourth is the ARK Innovation ETF, or ARKK, managed by Cathie Wood. This actively managed ETF focuses on disruptive innovations across multiple sectors, including genomics, automation, and fintech. As of May 29, 2025, ARK has a year-to-date return of 0.26% and a remarkable one-year return of 30.22%. It's suited for investors with a higher risk tolerance. These top 4 high-growth ETFs offer diverse opportunities to enhance your investment portfolio in 2025. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research or consult a financial advisor before making investment decisions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights. Thanks for watching.